So guys, this is my first major hurricane living alone. People, the meteorologists, my friend, what? I need my mother. Hey guys, welcome to my channel. My name is Shanae, and today is Saturday, October 25th. It's about 8:30 and we are currently prepping for Tropical Storm Melissa arrival. So we're currently doing laundry, and yes, you might be saying, why are you doing laundry and it's raining? But hear me out. Remember, we're gonna have power outage. We don't know the level of damage Melissa is going to do to the country. We don't know how long JPS Agotech but turn on back the power. So right. But anyway, I already started laundry, and while we're doing laundry, we're going to do our skincare because some are no storm. We still have to get the face because, you know, birthday is in December and my face is looking so dry right now. So first we're going to put on my turmeric mask from Skin Glory. I got all my face products from Skin Glory. So like, me alone can't do anything without music. Music is life. You ruined everything good. Made all my moments your own. Hey guys, so it is about 12:30. I'm just making breakfast. Don't mind the face, I still have on the face scrub. I'm going to wash it off soon, but I'm making breakfast because I haven't eaten anything from morning. So yeah, let's make breakfast. So guys, this cut are the best thing. I'm making pancakes. Won't you come in? It's been a little time. She got around. Cause she walk like a boss, talk like a boss. Manicure and nails, just let the pedicure wrong. She's fly effortlessly, and she move like a boss. Do what a boss do. She got me thinking about getting involved. That's the kind of girl I need. She got her own thing. That's why I love her. Damn.
She my type queen, let it hit the bando. We be counting up, watch how far them bands go. We just let it go, took your magic Lambo. Hey, at 56 a gram, 500, hey. Man, that's what I love her, she worth it. Hey, hit the strip club, we be letting. Hey, everybody hate when we just call them, hey. Hey, end up with the money, I ain't never let go. And I get high with my baby, ayy. I just left the moon, I'm getting fly with my baby, yeah. And I get ride with my baby, ayy. I be in the kitchen cooking pies with my baby, yeah. And I get yellow diamonds in the light, and we're standing side by side as the shadow crosses mine. What it takes to come alive.
Good morning, guys. Welcome back to my channel. My name is Shanae. It is Sunday, about 8:30, October 26th. Guys, Melissa is on a category 4 hurricane. My friend. So we're going on the road to get filthy things because what I had bought on Friday almost eat it off. So I felt get stuck up on some things, especially for my son. So we're going on the road. It's raining a bit right now, guys. Girlies, with a pixie, understand the struggle that I am going through right now, because if you never plan to go on the road the next day and you just go to your bed, so you wake up just like this. But once you have a pixie cap and hat, is your best friend. So we have what hat or cap or whatever this called. Yeah. Yep. Yes. So yeah, I get some things before the shop lock or the wholesale lock. So let's go. So guys, this is my first major hurricane living alone. Like, yes, last year with Beryl, like, yeah, I was living alone last year with Beryl, and it's never bad. I don't even remember what category Beryl was last year, but the news people, the meteorologists, my friend, what? I need my mother. Why? I don't know. I don't know, but I have to just, as the song say, ride out your storm. Yeah, we have to just ride out the storm. Make sure so we have everything that we need. Stay dry. Pack up all the documents in a Ziploc bag. If your fears say your roof might not make it, relocate. Do we need to cut down all unnecessary tree from over the house? All of that, just do what I need to keep safe.
Right, I got push back to the tree. Come back next time now. We can cook some.
everything that I got. Mainly like snacks. Mainly like snacks and tea stuff. So let me show you what I got. I got mac and cheese, bacon flakes because you know, crackers, more crackers, tea mix. My son loves these. I love them too. Ramen is a must. Everything. Ramen is a must, right? Right. So you get some ramen. We got Liz. Hold on guys, we'll make some space. Doritos. I think a 6. Some peanut punch. Bridge. This is for me. I don't even think my son like these. Lots stuff to make the cornflakes. Tongue, because we drink hard. Tongue. More tea, stuff. Coffee. I have to make my iced coffee. Lay's. Banana bread. Cheese. Blah. Pepper for eat the ramen. Listen, if my ramen color, watercolor is not red, I cannot eat it. Cannot. Alright, so I have another bag. Donuts. Cup social. I got some seasoning like onion, Irish, scallion, as I'm going to cook today for sure. Donuts, Cup social, and I bought fish, sliced fish, because for some reason I am craving fish, so I bought fish. My son doesn't like fish, so I'm going to fry chicken for him. I already have the chicken, so that's good. So that's all the things that I got. I'm going to cook. Oh. Murder. But I'm going to cook today. Maybe. I don't like to cook. So yeah, that's all the stuff that I stocked with. I already bought a flour, rice, sugar, those stuff from last week, so I don't need any of that tin stuff. I already have that. So yeah, that's all the stuff that I got today. So hopefully this carry away till about Wednesday, Thursday. Child, I don't know. I also have bread. I already have bread too. Oh, and egg. I have egg. I bought egg. I bought a dozen egg. So yeah. So anyway, I am going to prep for my dinner. So later, guys. guys, so we have come to the end of our first video. Thank you so much for watching. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and share the videos. Until next time, peace.